So if I were to go around over here onto the history section, then you can see the recent history over here on what you have visited. If I were to go around onto the three dot button and then go to history, then you'll be able to see this as well. So I can click on the three dot button and open the history page. So let's say what I want to do is I want to delete certain histories. Let's say, for example, I want to delete these. Then I can simply click right here and delete out these history right here, just like this. I can also go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, certain pages that I want to delete right here, just like this, and click on delete. And then what happens is that those particular datas will be deleted. But what I can also do is I can select a range from where I want the history to be deleted. So to do that, you can go around onto clear browsing data right here, and then you can select a time range. Let's say, for example, you can see all the pages within last 24 hours. Then you can select out the history right here and select out whatever you want to delete right here, like let's say download history and browsing history, as you can see right here, and clear it out. Or you can select out all time over here, just like this as well, and then delete this out over here. And once you do that, what happens is that the browsing history will be cleared. And that is how you can utilize the remove history option inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.